The goal of this group project is to expose students to the application of geometry in real life and to change the student perspective about learning mathematics. The first chosen place is Lotus Temple, which is Baha'i House of Worship in New Delhi, India.
Hi, I will explain about history of Lotus Temple. Who is create Lotus Temple? Faribo Saha, who is create this Lotus Temple. Who is Faribo Saha? He is Iranian that live in California now, but he's spending some years in Canada. He was approached in 1976 to design the Lotus Temple and later oversaw its construction design. The structural design was undertaken by the UK firm Flynn and Neil. Who is Flynn and Neil? Flynn and Neil is firm of consulting civil and structural engineer who is based in United Kingdom. When we built Lotus Temple, how much it cost? The construction was done at the cost of 10.56 million by ECC Construction Group of Larsen and Toubro, who is made it cost for. So the next part, a portion of a construction budget was saved. Why he saved the budget? Because he wants to use it to build a greenhouse to study indigenous plant and flower at a Lotus Temple too. Lotus Temple is designed like a tulip flower, so he takes some money to do research about plant and flower, so there can be more knowledge to people who is invited at a Lotus Temple. So now we move to the part of the history of Louvre Pyramid. So who is designed the Louvre Pyramid? So the design was a Chinese American architect. It has designed a large glass and metal structure. Who is built this Louvre Pyramid? So the build is Philip II, the medieval fortress featured a 98-foot tall keep and a moat. Why Louvre Pyramid is built? Why Philip II want to build this pyramid? Thought it now known for its renowned art collection. The Louvre began its life as a fortress in the 12th century designs to protect what was then the western edge of Paris. So by nowadays, why is Louvre Pyramid is so famous? The place is home to some of the world's most iconic pieces like painting, sculptures, architectural elements, and arts objects by famous or anonymous artists of many different origins and eras. So the extra point of this history of Louvre Pyramid is the main pyramid is surrounded by three smaller pyramids. The large pyramid serves as the main entrance to the Louvre Museum. So in the museum we has a in the pyramid we has a museum. When we enter the main of the main of the pyramid. The next point is this Louvre pyramid also complete in 1989 as part of the Board Grand Louvre project. It has become a landmark of Paris.
Okay, now I want to talk about application that involve between these two places. There is two application that I want to talk about, which is shape and pattern on this structure. Let's see application on. Okay, the first place is Love Pyramids in France. First, it's surrounded by three smaller triangles. Second, it consists of 603 rhombus shape. Last one, it have 70 triangular glass segments. For the second place is Lotus Temple, New Delhi. This place actually is inspired by this one flower which is named Lotus flower, like you can see beside. It just look similar, is it? It is composed of 27 freestanding marble-clad or petals. It's arranged in clusters of 3 to form 9 sides or in circular.
The volume of Lotus Temple, height of the wheel is 34.3 meters and the diameter is 70 meters. The area of base is 1 over 2 pi r square. The answer is 1924.226 meters square. And the total of volume is the area of base multiplied by height, and the answer is 166,000.95 meter. And then the area of Lotus Temple, the diameter is 34 meters, in depth of holes is 10 meters. Area of semicircle 1 over 2 multiplied by pi multiplied by 17 square, and the answer is 83.89 meters square. And area of semicircle multiplied by 9 is equal to 755.01 meters square. Area of triangle is equal to 1 over 2 this multiplied by height, 1 over 2 multiplied by 34 multiplied by 17, and the answer is 289 meters square. And then the area of triangle multiplied by 9 is equal to 2,601 meters square, and the total area is the area of triangle plus area of semicircle, and the answer is 3,356.01 meters square. The volume of Louvre pyramid, the height of the pyramid is 1.6 meters and the square base is 34 meters. Square base is the perimeter is equal to 34 meters. In the one length of the square of the base is equal to 34 divided by 4, and the answer is 8.5 meter. The area of base is 8.5 multiplied by 8.5 is equal to 72.25 meters square. The formula of the volume is 1 over 3 base to the height. 1 over 3 multiplied by 72.25 multiplied by 21.6, and the answer is 520.2. The area of Louvre pyramid has many ways, and the first one is one length of triangle is equal to 8.5 is 8.5 divided by 18, and the answer is 0.47 meters. One length of rhombus is equal to 22.01 minus by 0.47 is and divided by 17, and the answer is 1.27 meters. And the second one, a part of rhombus, we will use theorem Pythagoras to find the hypotenuse, and then we will get the answer is 22.01 meters. And number 3, we need to find the area of rhombus by the formula base multiplied by height, and the answer is 0.588 meters square. Total area of rhombus multiplied the area of rhombus multiplied by multiplied by 603 parts, and the answer is 354.564 meters square. And the last one, the area of triangle, we will use the formula. It's equal to 1/2 base direct height, and the answer is 0.294 meters square. And the total area of triangle, we will multiply with 17 parts, and the answer is 20.58 meters square. And the total area of triangles and rhombus is 20.98 plus 354.564, and the answer is 375.144 meters square.
But every time we gotta say